Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I have long been impressed with the quality of OXO kitchen supplies. So that's why I was really excited to buy this great set, the Y peeler and the can opener from OXO. Because of the great reputation of this brand, I was not at all surprised to see the great performance of both of these items. The can opener, for one, was such a breeze to use. I love how the weight of this can opener makes it feel so sturdy in my hand. I also think it's great how the turning handle is so big and turns so smoothly. This can opener is so great that when I was using it, I actually thought it wasn't working because it was working so smoothly. But sure enough, after it was done its turn around the can and I examined the can closely, I saw that the can top had been cleanly cut off. I am a huge fan of the fact that this can opener leaves no jagged edges on the can. The Y peeler also works excellent. It is really sharp and it creates these great thin slivers of vegetables that are just a breeze to make, and I can add them to my salads. I am super pleased with this great performing set from OXO, and I'm sure that I will be using them on the repeat in my kitchen. And that's my point of view.